Okay, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. I am your host, Maria Dakers. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the show and hopefully, you guys are having a good day. So, definitely, it's either good morning if you're watching it now, good evening if you're watching it later this evening, or good night if you're watching it in the night. And whatever time period you're watching it, it's definitely my respect, my manners to you. Now, guys, please remember to smash that like button. We're going to speak about two things today: Kaheem Parris, and also Leon Bailey's coach, Dean Smith. Now, as I said, people smash that like button and make sure that you subscribe to the Military Guna channel because this is what we do: daily update, daily content on the Reggae Boys, everything that has to do with the Reggae Boys. Now, let's move into the first thing that we want to speak about, which is Kaheem Parris. Now, first of all, before I get into it, someone asked me, why do I keep on speaking about these players like Kaheem Parris and Norman Gim? Someone really asked me about that, guys, and I was surprised. I was really surprised when they asked me, why do I keep talking about these players in specific, the Kaheem Parris, Norman Campbell, and yesterday the player that I spoke about yesterday, which was Ronaldo Biggs. And people are saying it's the first that they're hearing some of these players. They don't know some of these players. And I said, that is the reason why I covered a lot of these players, because no one know these players. I'm sure JFF have a database on these players, but I'm not sure if they're actually looking into these players and see what these players are actually doing. But in the same sense, that is the reason why I am doing what I am doing. We need to highlight these players and let everyone know what these players are doing. And the reason for this is when you have 19, 20, 21-year-old players doing well in Europe, yes, they're doing well in Europe, you have to highlight these things and let the Reggae Boys fans know of what is happening. They need to know these players because at the end of the day, when these players are integrated into the team, they can say that, okay, I have seen this player. I've seen this player being mentioned quite a few times on Military Guna's channel or some another YouTube channel, or we have seen these players do on scouting reports. So they have a general idea of the player and they know what the player is coming into the team to do. So that is the reason why I consistently highlight these players, because we might not see them this coming campaign in September. We might not see them. I'm not saying that they will be in the team. We might not see them, but for the 2026 World Cup, these are the players that we are likely, and I mean likely, going to turn to. These are the players that we are likely going to turn to because by then, hopefully, their career path really hits the original height and go to that level that they would want it to. So we have to let you guys know about them, because at the end of the day, we gotta let these guys know that we are, as fans, we're supporting them. They should put in all that hard work and continue to grind as always. So Kaheem Parris is now featured in back-to-back team of the week. Back-to-back team of the week. Now, is that important? Why would I bring up something like that? For me, as a fan, as a football fan, general as a football fan, when you see a player featured in back-to-back week, remember, no, this is now 2 weeks now since the league started. 2 weeks now the league has started, and he's now featured as his main striker in the league for back-to-back. That means something, people. That really means something. That is telling me that this player is putting in consistent performance week in, week out. I'm hoping that this is something that continues and we can really enjoy these performances going forward. FC Kiwariki is playing today. I think in the Conference League, and Norman Campbell will be playing, guys. Hopefully, guys, tune into that. I just want to remind you that he's playing today. Hopefully, guys can catch a view of that. I'm gonna check to confirm, guys. I'm checking to confirm the time, the time. Yes, in the Conference League. Yes, they're playing at 2 p.m. Eastern time. They're gonna play Hammarby. They'll be playing Hammarby. So look out for Norman Campbell today again. And that's going to be another player that I will cover once the game is over. I will definitely cover him. So, guys, look out for that one. So let's go into Leon Bailey's. So I'm moving away from Kaheem Parris now. Let's move over to Leon Bailey's coach. His new coach, Dean Smith, spoke about the young star Leon Bailey, his new signing. I'm trying to bring it up, people. My apologies. Okay, so this is what he had to say. This is what he had to say on Leon Bailey. Um, so the Aston Villa's gaffer said Leon is an hugely exciting young striker, and with great pace and creativity. We are now looking forward to watching him show his skills and talent for Aston Villa in the Premier League. Now, we know what Leon Bailey offers. A lot of people, you still have doubters out there. We know what Leon Bailey offers. And these are the criteria. And he specifically, you know what he said? He spoke about some characteristics of Leon Bailey. Excited young striker with great pace and creativity. Now, we know one thing. For sure is that a huge mass of the creativity is now moving away from Aston Villa, which is Jack Grealish. Now, there's a strong due cause that they need to fill that void with creative players. We saw them bringing in Emi Buendia, extremely talented young player, very, very good, very, very creative, a creative number 10 type / number, creative element, they can. But they need creativity on both wings. Now, going forward, you might see Emi Buendia on the right, Leon Bailey on left, or it doesn't matter, left, right. They will switch it up. They still have Traore, who's actually a very good technically gifted player as well, but they will switch it up. But he's specifically speaking about the creative element that he wants to bring into the team, because everyone knows that his team is lacking, is going to a big chunk of that creative element that he had last season is now moving away. So this is what he is looking forward to. These are the criteria that he's looking forward to from Leon Bailey. And let's be honest, I think that Leon Bailey can provide that. As I said, a lot of doubters are still saying that they want to see him. Maybe it's because in the Jamaican colors, that's the reason why people still have their doubts. But nonetheless, we have seen what he has done on the club level, and when he's on the club level, he's a different beast. Now, on the international level, you know that coaching and all those things are factors and variables which affect. Which really, really affects a player's performance, because when he's at the club level, top quality player amongst top quality player, and also system and philosophy are implemented within the national team. He's amongst talented players and quality players as well, but we all know that there's no system, there's no philosophy, and as I said, big coaching issues, big massive coaching issues on the international level. So we could definitely see a different Leon Bailey kicking into the Premier League. As you know, Premier League, you might need a little bit of time to adjust. So it's not a case in which you're expecting him to hit the ground running immediately. But in the same sense, we're expecting good things from him. And definitely, we should temper expectations, but we're still expecting good things from him. But in the same sense, yeah, we will see how that one goes. Step in the right direction, I believe. As the coach said, he's looking forward to see for him to show his skills and talent for the Aston Villa in the Premier League. So I know a lot of the Aston, most 90%, maybe 99, 100%, let's say 100% of the Aston Villa fans are pretty much happy with this signing, and they are very, very excited about this. So people, thank you very much for tuning in. A lot of respect. This is going to close out the show. Leon Bailey, new coach, is very much excited and can't wait to start working with Leon Bailey. And also Kaheem Parris featured in back-to-back team of the week. Massive achievement again for Kaheem Parris. Definitely a big contract might be coming soon. I have to be honest. I think I see something like that coming soon. So keep in mind, these guys are out there doing their best. Thank you very much, people. Remember to smash the like button. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well. Military Guna TV people. This has been really a good one, and I am out.